This video will show you how to add exaggeration to your animation. I will be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial, so make sure you download Flipaclip from Play Store so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new tutorial, you will be notified about our new videos. Now let's continue making the videos. So click on that plus icon and then name your project. So name your animation. So it's going to be Rico Animation Exaggeration. Okay, tutorial. Then I'll click on done. Now I'll click on this place now to add a background, because you need a background for your animation. So I've already designed the background, so I'll click on the background to import it into Flipaclip. Okay, so now you're going to select a canvas size based on if it's a YouTube video. Just select YouTube, the first one, 1080p. Okay, that is normal landscape canvas for YouTube video. Then click on create project. So let's get started. Okay, so now the next thing is I'm going to import my character for the animation I want to do. So I click on that three dots, then click on add image. So we are going to add our characters to this project. As you can see, I've already designed the character for the animation, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character. There's an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. I have a tutorial video on how I create my cartoon characters on my Telegram channel. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel in order to gain access to that very video. I'm going to continue adding a frame. So click on that plus icon to add a frame. Remember, you have to clone the frame. Yes, you have to clone the frame, and then the next frame now will be, you click on that plus icon again, then you add a new frame. Then I'm going to add another image I've already designed. So if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your characters with your smartphone. So it's also available on my Telegram channel, so make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and gain access to my animation class. Now I've added exaggeration to my character. Let me explain to you what is exaggeration. Exaggeration is one of the principles of animation that involves amplifying movements, reactions, and emotion to create a more engaging and believable performance. You see the way I added exaggeration to these characters, making the mouth to become big, like amplifying the mouth to create a comedic effect and a personality. So I'm going to add a rain because I want to add a rain in order to emphasize the character is really shouting. So to add a rain is very easy, or to make a rain is also very easy. You can easily do that. What you need is just 2 frames. So with your 2 frames, you'll be able to add a rain to your character. See the way I'm adding a rain. So I'll now copy the rain, then I'll now paste it so to ensure that the rain occurs throughout the screen. So I'll just copy and paste it until the entire screen is filled up. So let's continue filling the rain throughout our screen. So to achieve a rain, just what you need is the 2 frames of frame. So you see the way I'm filling out my screen with a line that looks like lane, and eventually when you play the video, it will look as if rain is falling from the top, on top of the character's body. So I'm done adding this frame, so I'm going to add a new frame. So click on that plus icon, and then that's how you add a new frame. Click on the plus icon again, and then add a new frame. So I will add the second frame to complete the rain. So it's still the same thing. I'll just copy my character and then add the second type of rain. I hope you are following along with the tutorial. And please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video on this channel. So let's continue from where we stopped. I'm going to add the second rain because I told you you need to add the first rain and the second rain in order to complete a rain cycle. You know that when it comes to animation, we have what is known as cycle. So cycle means you want the animation to repeat. That means for a rain to repeat, you need to add a 2 cycle to a rain. Yes, one will be a different direction of rain, the different pose of rain, then the second one will also be a different pose of the rain. So when you do cycle animation, when the thing now play one after the other continuously, it will look as if rain is really falling. You can use this technique to achieve your rain animation, water flowing animation. It's very easy. Okay, animation is very easy. And if you want me to teach you how I animate, you can also join my Telegram channel. From there you contact me for me to teach you more about animation. So I'm done adding the rain. So the way I want to add the rain, and it's up to 4 frames, so it's okay for me. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will fast forward some things. But if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me and I will teach you more. Okay, so but for the meantime, you are going to go to frame viewers. So from frame viewers, you will be able to control the duration of your animation. If you want your animation to be long, if you want the animation to be short, so from frame viewer you will have access to control most of the things. Understand? So you will see the way I will copy some of the frames and duplicate it in order to create a longer video. So I will just click on this copy icon there to copy it. So based on the kind of video I want to create, I will know which frame to copy and where to paste it. So those are the things you will learn when you join my animation class. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video in order to join my animation class, where you will now learn more on how to add different exaggeration to your character and how to create a smooth animation. So you can see the way I'm copying and pasting some of the frames just to achieve the kind of video I want to achieve. So at the end of all this, let's preview our animation and see how the thing is looking so far. So but before I do that, I will click on make movie. Yes, I'm going to export this video. So when I export the video, and you see that my Flipaclip is a premium version, they are not showing watermark. So this app now is available for my students. So anyone that join my animation class will get this app for his phone animation. Alright, the video is exporting now, so it will take some time for it to export depending on the lens. So when it's not exporting, you can now play the video and see what you have. You can also share it to your social media platform. So let's play the video. This is Rico Animation Exaggeration. Exaggeration. So exaggeration is a principle of animation, and if you want me to teach you more in details on how to add exaggerations to your animation, I recommend you to join my Telegram channel. Check the description of this video, you will see my Telegram channel link there. So click the link and join my Telegram channel. and also contact me for my animation course, okay, so that you'll be able to gain a deeper teaching from me on animation principle. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video, comment and share, because I'm dropping tutorial every week, okay. All right, now I'll see you on the next week. Bye.